Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the City of English. This is Jack, and today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your life. How to improve your English in real life. Not from boring grammar books, not from memorizing thousands of words, but from real life, real situations, real communication. So if you've ever felt like, I understand English, but I can't speak. I forget words when I need them. I'm afraid of making mistakes. Then this video is for you. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have a clear, simple, and powerful plan to improve your English naturally. The biggest mistake people make. Let me ask you something. How long have you been learning English? 1 year? 5 years? Maybe 10 years, but still speaking feels difficult. Why? Because most people learn English the wrong way. They focus too much on grammar rules, memorization, translation. But real English is not about perfection. Real English is about communication. Think about a child. A child doesn't learn grammar first. A child listens, understands, and then speaks. That's exactly how you should learn English. Think in English, not in your language. One of the biggest problems is this. You think in your native language and then translate into English. That slows you down. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Just think, I want water. Simple, direct. Start with small thoughts. I am tired. I am hungry. I need to go. This is good. Your brain will slowly adapt. Learn by listening the natural way. Listening is the most powerful skill. If you listen more, you will speak better. Here's what you should do. Watch English videos every day. Listen to conversations. Repeat what you hear. But don't just watch passively. Listen actively. Pause. Repeat. Copy. This method is called shadowing. For example, speaker says, I'm going to the store. You repeat, I'm going to the store. Again and again. This builds your fluency naturally. Speak without fear. Let me tell you something very important. You don't need perfect English to speak. You just need confidence. Most learners are afraid of mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes, so don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. You can talk to yourself, record your voice, speak in front of a mirror. Yes, it may feel strange at first, but it works. Learn useful sentences, not just words. Many people try to memorize vocabulary lists, but that doesn't help much. Instead, learn sentences, because in real life, we speak in sentences, not single words. For example, don't just learn hungry. Learn, I'm really hungry right now. Don't just learn go. Learn, I need to go now. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Repetition is the key. You don't need new content every day. You need repetition. Watch the same video multiple times. Listen to the same conversation again and again. Why? Because repetition builds memory. The first time, you understand a little. The second time, you understand more. The third time, it becomes natural. Use English in your daily life. Make English a part of your life. Think in English. Speak in English. Listen in English, even if you are alone. For example, while cooking, describe what you are doing. While walking, talk about your surroundings. While watching, repeat sentences. Turn your life into practice. Motivation and mindset. Improving English is not a one-day process. It takes time. But the good news is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even 20 minutes a day can change everything. Remember, small progress every day equals big results. The daily practice routine. Now let me give you a powerful daily routine. If you follow this for 30 days, you will see real improvement. Listening, 10 minutes. Watch a short English video. Listen carefully. Don't worry about understanding everything. Repeat, 10 minutes. Play the video again. Pause after each sentence. Repeat it. Copy the tone. Copy the speed. Step 3. Speak, 10 minutes. Now speak by yourself, without looking. Try to say what you remember. Record, 5 minutes. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Find your mistakes. Think, all day. Think in English throughout the day. Small sentences, simple ideas. That's it. Just 30 to 40 minutes a day. Consistency beats everything. Real-life conversation practice. Now, let's practice real English. Imagine you meet someone. Hey, how's it going? I'm good. How about you? Pretty good. Simple, natural, real. At a coffee shop. Hi, can I get a coffee? Sure, what kind? Just a regular coffee. Anything else? That's all, thank you. Making a friend. Hi, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? These are real-life situations. Practice them again and again. Powerful speaking techniques. Now let me show you some powerful techniques. Technique 1. Use fillers naturally. Native speakers use fillers like, well, you know, actually. Example. Well, I think it's a good idea. This gives you time to think. Speak in chunks. Don't think word by word. Think in groups. Example. I want to go home. Yes, I want to go home. Train your brain to speak naturally. Technique 3. Copy native speakers. Choose one speaker. Listen carefully. Copy. Pronunciation, tone, style. This is how you sound natural. Stop translating forever. This is very important. If you still translate in your head, you will never speak fluently. Instead, see, think, speak in English. Not think, translate, speak. Train your brain daily. It takes time, but it works. Build confidence like a pro. Confidence doesn't come first. Confidence comes from action. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So speak even if it's broken. Speak even if it's slow. Speak even if it's not perfect. Because perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Make English your lifestyle. If you really want to improve fast, make English part of your life. Change your phone language to English. Watch movies in English. Follow English content. Speak daily. Surround yourself with the language. That's how fluency grows. Final message. Deep motivation. Let me tell you something from the heart. You don't need to be smart to learn English. You don't need a special talent. You just need consistency. Every day, a little effort. That's all. One day, you will speak confidently. You will understand easily, and you will feel proud of yourself. Final outro and CTA. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the City of English. Because here, we don't just learn English, we live English. This is Jack. See you in the next video. Stay confident, keep practicing, and never give up.